by the Coal Ministry.
Sorkar Jilla ka Khot Biang Sashisin ya ka Trap National Liberation Council lani ka Hnlc banishim benta ha ka jing Ïakren yasuk watla ki jing persang ki bahaswa ki la thutno halor ki jing dawa jong ka kunhun na benta ka jing map ya ki nong yalam bat ki Khot jangka Menteri Rangba ke Jilla Konrad ke Sangma hinen ke sengi ulaban Biang ya ka kular jong ka Sorkar Jilla banyarap hakal yang ka jing Ïakren da ka babanjur halor ka jing don kam ban khmi binya ya ki jing bat wat ya kalinti ban poi syaka jing ya bet hapo ka sandur jong ka riti senshar halor ka jing dawa ka seng bayadei bat ka jing map Menteri Rangba ula pensyai bakarai ka syong bat ka Sorkar pedeng bat bat ka Jilla.
All these issues are addressed, and whatever concerns are there from their side, we need to sit down and discuss, and within the constitutional framework, within the discussions with MHA and Government of India and state government and with the organization, we should move forward. So that is what our appeal is. We would want to once again, give the message that that we are ready to discuss, and let us come to the table again to talk. And whatever concerns are there, the best way to resolve those concerns is through dialogue.
Ka Sorkar Jilla ka yang scam ban ya chakmat bat ki project